What's up, you guys? Can you believe I found the most affordable way to have a sneaker wall under $100? Let me show you where I got it from while I clean and rearrange my sneakers. I wanted to switch out some of these sneakers because I have a lot of recent sneaker pickups I want to put in place. So as I do this cleaning, y'all gonna get the details of where to get everything from. Most people got their bookcase from IKEA at $90 a piece. I found mine at Target for $37 each, which is such a steal. I picked up 2 bookcases and realized I needed extra shelves because it only came with 5. So I went over to Home Depot to see what I could find. I'll put all of the links in my highlights as well as in my story. I found one long board for $18 and I cut it down into 5 shelves in order to finish my sneaker wall. I'm actually going to do another sneaker wall because I need a third one. And yeah, so stay tuned. If you want to see me make another one, comment below and then I will build one for you guys.